Today on wood turning, well, once again I let Bryan go through my drawers. Shelves. He said, turn this. I guess we will.
Tim's American Beauty was made by Robust Tools, America's premier lathe manufacturer. Robust. Built to turn wood. Enjoyed for a lifetime.
Easy Wood Tools makes carbide tip turning tools, the Easy Chuck, beading cutters, live and drive centers, faceplates, and wire burning kits. Easy Wood Tools, easy to use, easy to own. What the hell was he thinking? Before we get started, I want to thank our sponsors, Robust Lathes and Easy Wood Tools, because without their support we wouldn't be here. That'd be no fun. We wouldn't be doing any videos. Also, I am an authorized Robust dealer, so if you need a beautiful lathe, give me a call. And if you want some neat wood turning tools or a hollowing system, go to woodturningwithtim.com, and I've got all that stuff up there for you. Now on to Bryan's idea. Bryan wants to make a bowl here that comes down and leaves all this the way it is. So that's a great idea, but how the heck do we hold this sucker? So I'm thinking of putting it between centers and doing a recess on this end. One issue I have, if I put this up here right now, this is crooked. So if I turn it like this and try to hold it, this is not getting a good bite in here and it's going to slip off. So what I think I'm going to do is figure out where I need to put this to hold that, so I can put a recess in it and hold this like that. So to do that, I'm going to have to drill a hole on this end that this then will slide into. So I lied to you. I didn't drill a hole there, I drilled it here. It kind of started making more sense when I was looking at it. But anyway, so this will be dished out nice and center, but then when you set it down, it's going to be kind of nice and dished and off to the side, which is going to be really cool. God, I hope this works. Bryan and his ideas. So I'll put this on center here. There is a center there. I have a mark. There we go. Now, we just simply take this and screw this in and get good contact. Really good contact. So it's digging in over here. Spin it to see if everything works. So now we're going to make a recess in the bottom. So we're going to have something that we can spread the jaws into, go up in and spread the jaws to hold it when we turn it around. So this is going to be a little sketchy. So it's going to shake like the dickens. So we'll start slow, turn it up, and we're going to get a real big shake here in a second. There we go. We're going to go through that. That's about as fast as we can go. So I need to make a 2.5 inch recess, so I'm going to use an Easy Wood tool just to feel my way in here and just take little bits of wood out. And it's going to tick. There we go. I don't want to take a lot while I'm doing this. I just want to wind up going deep enough that I can make a good recess, and then we'll clean up the inside later. So this will just take a little while of jumping around and knocking wood out. So I'm just establishing the tenon here. I have to have a dovetail to fit in my mortise, but I have a little bit of wood left here. But you can see I finally got deep enough here. I'm really deep here, but I'm going to turn away this wood here, then we're going to reverse it and put it in the jaws. I'm going to keep nibbling with this little pointed Easy Wood tool to get the rest of that wood out of there. Just have to take your time. I'm going to pick the speed up just a little bit. Knock on wood. There we go. And get the rest of that wood out of there. So we have Bryan's idea now reversed and mounted in the mortise. So you can see I'm using these long jaws, and that helps me reach all the way to the bottom. So it seems like a sturdy hold. I'm gonna be over here with a face mask. Bryan's gonna be over here. Hey, it's your idea. Why don't you just go back over there? Okay, we're going to start slow, work our way up, and we're going to start making a bowl on the inside first. Okay, get past our first shake. I think that's about it. Okay, nibble, nibble, nibble. By the way, this is mesquite that has been on my shelf for a long, long time, so it is rock hard. Probably the last thing you want to have on a tenon hold like this and be turning. done. No, we're not. Bryan wants to do something else to it. So, we've got this perfect bowl inside. I like it. But Bryan wants me to cut into this and make it look like it's a bowl sitting in the wood. So it's got smooth sides. So that's easy except for this intersection right here, which will be a heck of a lot of fun to try. So, let's see what we're going to do here. I got to get this up on center. So, up we go. It's the only tool I think I can use because it's pointed, and I can get into this intersection here because that's going to be, that'll tell me how deep I can go without getting into too much trouble. Okay, here we go. Let's give it a try. Okay. Yeah. Little bit of wood at a time. That's why you wear a face mask, kids. Okay.
Should we put that
We're going to put it back on. And it should hold. Nothing broke. It just got to catch. So I got to be careful going into that intersection in there because it dug down a little deep. But hey, that's why you're watching me. You can't learn from perfect. Okay, kids, let's give this a second try. I'm putting a little cheater in here because that's showing me where the intersection is with this piece because I can't see it while it's spinning. So I'll know not to go this side of that because then I catch into that. The other thing I'm going to do is lower this down just a little bit, and I'm going to try for a minute to start off with a bowl gouge. See if that works. We'll see. Okay. Knock on wood, that seems to be cutting better. A little bit of pucker with this one because I got that branch coming out to the side, and it's really hard to curve this thing and know where I am in space. Because you see, I'm about ready to close up on both sides of this cutter, and that could be trouble. We'll stop it here and take a look. So this is where my issue is. As I get into there, I'm going to do that. And if I hit both sides, I'm in a lot of trouble at that point. I have a little more space to come over here, but not much. But my whole goal is working out. I'm trying to make this look curved on the outside. If it was straight, it wouldn't look like a bowl. So maybe a couple more cuts. We'll see how it goes. All right, right there, right there. Yeah. So we're done. It looks beautiful, doesn't it, right? And nah, Bryan's not satisfied. So what we're going to do is we're going to try to carve away a little bit of the wood here and make it look like the bowl is standing out a little bit more. Easy peasy, right? Yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'm going to turn this a little bit this way and lock it in. Robust has an indexer built into the headstock, which is really handy for something like this. So now it holds it and keeps it from moving. And I have my handy dandy little grinder here, or cutter, or whatever you want to call it. And it's got a cut saw bit in it, which moves wood really fast. So we're just going to freehand this. Probably should have put on a dust mask. I will in a minute. Yeah, I'm gonna put it on right now. I think it's shaping up. I think we're there. Bryan had a great idea. We'll give you that one, Bryan.
That's right.
Yeah. So now I think it looks like the bowl is coming out. Matter of fact, let's just go ahead and turn this off and take it off and see what happens. Oh, get out of this mask. Whew. Get this out of the way. Okay, yay, yay. There it is. Now we're gonna do this. Close. Oh, does that look cool or what? I like it. I love the fact it got a little bark left here so it looks natural, but then it looks like the bowl is coming out, and it's almost an impossible thing to come out that way off a turning. That's really cool. So that is how you make a bowl and a branch. Until the next time on Wood Turning, keep turning. Good idea, Bryan. You did good.
Tim's American Beauty was made by Robust Tools, America's premier lathe manufacturer. Robust. Built to turn wood. Enjoyed for a lifetime.
Easy Wood Tools makes carbide tip turning tools, the Easy Chuck, beading cutters, live and drive centers, faceplates, and wire burning kits. Easy Wood Tools, easy to use, easy to own.